Step one's gonna be just remove the tire. You're gonna wanna take this bolt all the way out and this bolt right here all the way out. But to do that, you have to hold on to this little lock nut right here. I'll show you it. It's a size 13 socket. I'm not sure how this video is gonna turn out. Let's see. Just kidding. It's not a 13. Size 15 socket. It really shouldn't be on there that tight. But you just you see that? That bit is turning. Can't have that. Put some vice grips on it. Go ahead and take that all the way out. Just this little bit right here. You're gonna want to take the bottom one out first, because if you take the top one out first, you'll damage your brake line. It'll just swing down. Take this bit off. You know, to this one, you're just gonna have to loosen the top one. It'll just swing right out. I want it to be a little looser, so. There we go. Really all it's gonna be. The top one. So it'll just swing right up. Just watch your brake lines because they get a little buggered. And just slide these right on out. It's like that. I could have waited a while to change mine. You can see there's still 30% there. Now, for this part, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna take this all the way out for purposes of video. But you don't need to. Ow. Bolt's kind of a circle. Now for this part, you want to take a C-clamp like this. You want to put it down to compress the actual brake so we can fit our new pads on. Don't let your caliper fall. It'll damage your brake line. That'll be bad. Want to compress this all the way down. Like that. So you can get your new pads in. You put your new pads in, you're gonna look like this. You just there's two grooves on top and bottom. These will fit right into those grooves. Like that. Then you want to put your caliper back over top of it and align those bolt holes with the lock nuts. Screw in the top lock nut first. Put that pair of vice grips back on there. Here's your ratchet just to tighten that back down. With this size 15 socket again. Just like that. Then you're going to want to figure out where you drop the other bolt. Because I lost mine. There it is, underneath the car. Go ahead and put that bottom one back in there, grab your vice grips again. Hook onto the lock nut. Take your size 15 socket. And tighten it all the way down. And you guys can't see this, but it's the same as the top. Get it good and tight, not too much though. Like that. That's how you change 2016 Dodge Challenger rear brake pads.